Alright guys, what's up? So today when we opened in an iPhone 12, I think it's iPhone 12 Pro, but iPhone 12 black opening, guys. So you can see it's still in the plastic. So we're going to open it up. So satisfying, open that up. Alright, and open it up just like that. How nice does that look, guys? Try to zoom out for you. Here it is. Alright, brand new. We have our stuff here. Alright, so we have this thing. We have our charging piece right here. USB, I think C charger. We have our SIM right here. Usually it comes with a headset. I don't think this one did. That's fine. And we could. How satisfying is this? Pretty cool. It tells you right here, like, you know, power button, volume up, volume down, and turn notification off and on. So satisfying. And there we go. That's the opening iPhone 12. And then we can hold it on. It might be dead. I think it's dead. Alright, let me go charge it so I can turn it on with you guys here. Alright, so the phone is dead. We do have a case for it. It's just a regular dark black case. So I'm going to just put that in. You just slide these cases in. Push it just like that. Oh. I mean, technically, you could, like, it's two pieces, so you can just technically take it apart to do it, but I just slide it right in. Alright, just like that. We're good. And sometimes they come off with, like, some battery in it. In this case, it's completely dead. So we're gonna grab one of my other chargers. All right, so we're gonna plug that in. And we should see the Apple logo. It might take a few moments for it to pop up, but the Apple logo should, oh, see, low battery. So I'm gonna let this charge up, and then after it charges up, I will be back with the final part of the video.
3 hours later.